So we got our reversal for AMC. Yesterday we did 5 and today another 5, getting near the breakout zone before the earnings, 27 days. And of course, this is a really good reaction that we have lately since we got near the bottom around the 150. And of course, the beginning of July, we technically reverse almost 30%. It's getting near the squeeze zone around the $2.23, and GameStop as well is consolidating between the big sellers place around the earnings around the 23.2668 and the 20.87 bottom during the earnings. So we are sideways trading before the earnings almost 1 or 2 months ago coming for the earnings for GameStop. However, the huge anticipation for Q2 result for 2026 for AMC is more volatile than GameStop. We have to discuss both of them in a bit, but before we go further, remember yesterday we did a really nice update for AEHR and our update on Discord for elite members. Before the earnings, this one had a huge earning, guys, 1,500 suppress up from negative to positive and hit our target level around the 110 at the market open, guys. We hit this level, as you can see here, and now is flashing down. It was a really good play for our hunter on Discord and Patreon. As a reminder, there's always a new update, a new swing play, earning play, almost daily. We're gonna do later on, of course. So if you missed this one that jumped almost 50% for today, we're gonna do another one today before the market close for the earnings for today and tomorrow. But for now, we have to discuss AMC that pulling back right now from the $2.23, the major seller place. We got a consolidation as we discussed before, guys. Before we go further, remember our content always for education purposes only. So as we said before, we got a consolidation zone for AMC here between the $1.86 and almost the $2. And finally, on Tuesday or yesterday, we got buying pressure 5% and another 5% today. So total 10%. From the bottom, we did 30%, but we're missing right now another 10% to squeeze up, at least to confirm the squeeze and the reversal, because this is the turning point, guys, around the $2.22. This is the turning point to confirm that we're gonna have a reversal before the earnings that coming in less than 1 month from now. So we got a moment, or we got a bit of time to have a reversal before the earnings. So the best case scenario, guys, because we got 27 days before the earnings, if we broke the $2.22 and we consolidate before the earnings here, would be really great. If we have a good earnings, we can test the 3, then pull back, then continue toward the 4. The best case scenario is breaking the $2.22 before the earnings and go here before the earnings, just below the $3 and squeeze more toward the 4 and the 5. This is the best case scenario. However, as long as we hold over the 148 and never break this level at the earnings, and after the earnings will be good in the big picture, by the end of this year will be good to confirm that we're not that weak. At the same time, we have a chance to squeeze toward the 4 and the 5. For GameStop, on the other hand, the same. We have 2 months before the earnings for GameStop. That's why it's consolidating sideways right now, and there's no volatility. But if we have a breakout from the 23.68 before the earnings, would be even better. Consolidating here, going toward the 26.28 by the earning and breaking it around the 28.90 and 30. This will be the best case scenario. But in the big picture, still the 20.87, it is where the whale is still buying and loading up on GameStop. So far so good, as long as we hold this support, and of course breaking the 23.68 would be even better before the Q2 earning for GameStop that coming in almost 2 months from now. We're gonna discuss, of course, AMC and GameStop in depth and other stocks as usual on our Discord and Bitcoin before the market open. And make sure to tune in for tomorrow live streaming 15 minutes before the market open to discuss the market again and reply on your question, of course. Thank you for watching, and see you all back by tomorrow.